Hey boys and girls, I'm just going to record my screen so you have a reminder on how to do assignments like this. So today you're working on a tall tale graphic organizer because by the end of the week we're going to be working on writing our own tall tales, just like we're reading in Storm Along and some of the examples you read and watched yesterday. So you'll see that it's posted as a new assignment. You'll press on it and you want to make sure it takes you to here. This is important. It says your work. Your name should be here and this slide is yours. So press on this and you'll see where it says edit text here. That's where you're going to fill in your title, describing what your character looks like, your character traits, setting, problem, and solution. You get to be very creative with this. So take your time, do your best, and you guys will do awesome. If you don't go in from the post and you go under classwork, you'll press the assignment, press view assignment. Do not press here. Press view assignment, it takes you to here. You press on it, you fill it in. When you are done, do not share. When you are done, you'll exit out of it, it will save to the drive, and then you will press turn in. After you press turn in, you're done your graphic organizer for the day. Thanks for listening.